Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on XLM. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that the price line of Stellar was dropped at the support of a down channel on the daily time frame chart, and this is the channel. And now you can see that recently the price line is once again bounced very well from the support and moving towards the resistance. By the way, it was entered the channel here on 23rd of November 2024, and since then it is still moving inside this down channel. We had rejection here, bounce, rejection, and this is the most recent bounce. And this time, if the price line reaches the resistance of this channel, then it can hit this resistance somewhere here, approximately at 43 cents. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this previous and very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And in fact, I have been showing you this wedge for the past 2 years, and I've been telling you that once Keller will be able to break it out, then we can expect a very massive rally. And you can see that so far it has pumped or rallied very well. And we will also take a look at the expected target for this breakout. And I would also like to show you this very huge ascending triangle that is formed on the monthly time frame chart. And we will also take a look at my long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared on 29th of May 2024, 2022 with my members almost 2 years ago. And that was a very big harmonic bullish reverse guarded pattern that Stellar formed on the monthly time frame chart. And so far, this signal has produced almost a more than 400% rally. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for NEIRO, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like the buying sign and the sell target sign and the stop loss. Here you can watch the complete trade setup. And here you can also see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 25 of November 2024. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Within few moments, you will be able to watch this move. You can see that how nicely the price line moved up and read the sell target zone here. Now let's start analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my quite long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared on 29th of May 2024, 2022 with my members almost 2 years ago. And that was a very big harmonic bullish reversal, guarded pattern that Stellar formed on the monthly time frame chart. And this was a complete trade signal. You can see that when I shared the signal at that time, it was moving, the price line was moving at 12.7 cents. And this was a very big and huge harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern that Stellar formed on the monthly time frame chart. Therefore, this was a quite long-term trade signal. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very massive reversal. And so far, it has pumped almost to more than 400%. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Stellar. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past stable days since after 23rd of November 2024, it is moving inside this down channel. You got rejection here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce. And now this time it can hit the resistance of the channel somewhere here, approximately at 43 cents. And in case of another rejection, it can drop down at this long-term support zone that starts from 27 cents and goes to 25 cents. That is a quite long-term support zone. Recently, it was working at the resistance. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this support zone from 27 to 25 cents has been previously working at the resistance here, and support here as well. And in case of breaking out this down channel, the technical target will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at 63 cents. And now on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. And you can see that we are almost there. We are about to hit that target. That is from 80 cents to $1. Now, let me just show you this very huge ascending triangle. And now you can see that the price and is once again rejected by the resistance of this ascending triangle on a monthly time frame chart. By the way, inside this triangle, the price and of Stellar was entered here in the month of July 2017. Then we had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, and now we got two more rejections here as well. In the movement, now you can see that it is getting squeezed inside this triangle. Therefore, I'm expecting that soon it can break this triangle. Right now, after this rejection, we have broken down this long-term support of 40 cents. And now the price can drop at the next support of 25 cents. By the way, from 27 to 25 cents, we have a very strong and long-term support zone. And in case of hitting the support of the triangle, it can hit the support somewhere here, approximately at 10 cents. But if the price then breaks out this long-term triangle, then we can expect a very, very massive rally. And this can be a quite long-term target. And the technical target for this breakout, for example, if we will have a breakout from here, that will be approximately somewhere between $46 to $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well for more trading signals. You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.